The local coffee shop is running low on resources today. They only have 25 more shots of espresso and only 64 cups of milk left. A grande latte uses 2 shots of espresso and 1 cup of milk. A venti latte uses 3 shots of espresso and 1.5 cups of milk. Which of the following will be accurate inequalities based on the constraints given? If you notice, they are giving us two totals. They are giving you how much espresso you have and how much milk. So we're going to set up one inequality for the espresso and one for the milk. So let's go and start with the espresso. We know that we have 25 shots total. And we need to see how is that being used. The grande uses 2 shots of espresso versus the venti that uses 3 shots of espresso. And that'll be our first inequality. We have 25 total, 2 shots of espresso for the grande, so we're going to use G, plus your venti uses 3 shots of espresso, so it'll be 3V. That has to be less than or equal to our total, which is 25. Our second inequality will have to deal with the milk. We have only 64 cups left of milk. Your grande will use 1 cup of milk versus your venti that will use 1.5 cups of milk. Therefore, first 1 for the grande plus 1.5 for the venti, and that has to be less than or equal to the total amount, which is 64. And that'll be the two inequalities. So let's start. 2G plus 3V, so that's incorrect. That's correct, and that's correct. So your answer is letter C.